I'm sure you've heard the news. Quantum entanglement is straight out of a sci-fi movie. Quantum entanglement is the mind-bending phenomenon where particles get mysteriously linked regardless of distance. Imagine twin particles separated by galaxies, yet instantly mirroring each other's actions. It all kicked off with Einstein, Podolsky, and Rosen in 1935, cooking up the EPR paradox. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. But it was John Bell in the 1960s who gave us the math to test it, known as Bell's theorem. So, how does it work? Take two particles, entangle them, and no matter how far apart they are, a change in one affects the other instantaneously. Sounds like magic, right? Experiments like the famous Allen aspects in the 1980s proved quantum entanglement isn't just theory, it's real. And it's shaking up our understanding of the universe. The coolest part? Quantum entanglement is paving the way for groundbreaking tech. Quantum computers that could solve impossible problems, ultra-secure quantum cryptography, and even quantum teleportation. And research is just getting started. The future could be even wilder, with mind-blowing breakthroughs just around the corner. Stay tuned for more quantum craziness. Hit that like button if your mind is officially blown.